Imagine succulent, tender beef slowly simmered in a rich red wine sauce. This is slow cooker beef bourguignon, and this is exactly how you make it. Right, the prep for this is really easy. All you need to do is just quarter up 2 onions. You can use red onions or white onions. Peel and roughly chop 3 carrots. And then for bacon medallions, you can either buy these or you can just buy normal smoked bacon and just remove the fat from it and then chop it up nice and small. Heat some oil on a medium to high heat, and you want to fry that bacon and onion until it starts to crisp up and gets lots of color and gives it a real delicious flavor. This really makes a difference rather than just adding it straight into the slow cooker. Then add some garlic, fry that for 30 seconds, and then add 300 ml of red wine. Now, for the red wine, you want to let it reduce by about 1/3. This helps burn off the alcohol and removes any sharp nastiness that might be remaining. Tip all that into the slow cooker along with 1 kilo of lean diced beef, some mushrooms and those carrots you chopped earlier, along with about 2 tablespoons of corn flour, some salt, and for herbs, we're going to use a tablespoon of dried thyme. Lastly, just add some tomato puree. Give everything a good mix through, and then I think cooking this on low works best. You could do it on medium or high, but I prefer to give it 8 hours on low. Also, if you like the look of this recipe, please do hit that like button. It really helps me out. Nothing to do with ego, it just means more people will see this video. Anyway, after 8 hours, you've got something looking absolutely delicious like this. All you need to do is to plate it up, garnish with some green. I'm using some fresh parsley. And then you just need to get stuck in. Goes really well with roast potatoes or crusty bread. So there we have it, slow cooker beef bourguignon. This is, in my opinion, one of my favorite slow cooker beef recipes. Now, there are a few things that you had to do a little bit differently with this that you might not do normally when you're cooking in the slow cooker, such as pre-cooking those onions and the garlic, and by reducing that red wine to get rid of the alcohol, you remove that sharpness which is sometimes in slow cooker recipes if you don't burn off the alcohol first, because when the slow cooker does its thing, the temperature doesn't get that high, so sometimes food can taste a little bit boozy. So I can assure you, the little bit of extra time that you need in that prep with that pre-cooking the onions, the garlic, the bacon, and reducing that wine just gives you such a nicer dinner, and I strongly recommend you do it. Anyway, I'm going to go and eat this. I've got this little glass of wine that was left for a prop. May have a little swig or two, or I might go back in the bottle. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. As always, if you are a new follower or if you've not had a chance yet, just click that subscribe button, because I'm posting 2 high protein recipes each week. And if you click subscribe, you won't miss them. Right, I'm off to eat this. I'll speak to you later. So good.